Welcome to all my dear student. Now to lecture number 35 for class 7 maths, chapter 6 exponent. We know that laws of exponent. This one rule of exponent, law of exponent. Remember all of you firstly, this one is base and this one is power. In multiple, base are same. Their power will be added. It means a to power m plus n. Second number condition rule is a to power m divided by a to power n. In division, their base are same. Power will be subtracted. A to power m minus n. This one also same. A to power m divided by a to power n. A to power m minus n. This one is power. Remember all of it. Third number rule. A to power m, their whole power is n. So this one is a to power m into n. Power will be multiplied. Then a to power negative m, a to power minus m. Any number power is negative, then power change. Numerator change in denominator. A to power m. A to power m. And we know that any number power is 0, the answer is always 1. And sixth number condition is, if any number power is 1, this one is 1. So this one is a to power 1 is a. Then seventh number rule, a to power m into b to power m into c to power m is equal to a, b, c. Their whole power is m. Because their all power are same, so we can write this type. This one all rule of and law of exponent. Understood all? Now question number 8. Prove the following. First, 30 to power 5 is equal to 2 to power 5 into 3 to power 5 into 5 to power 5. And second number, 616 to power 9 is equal to 7 into 8 into 11 to power 9. So first their solution number first. Question there, 30 to power 5 is equal to 2 to power 5 into 3 to power 5, 5 to power 5. This one is left hand side and this one is right hand side. So first we take left hand side. I am taking therefore left hand side is equal to 30 to power 5. What is given there? 30 to power 5 given. Firstly, which this one find their factors. 30. Table of 2 possible. 2 15s are 30. 2 1s are 2. 2 5s are 10. Then table of 2 again possibility. No. Not possible. Then next table of 3. 3 5s are 15. Then direct table of 5. 5 1s are 5. It means 30 can write this type 2 into 3 into 5. Then whole power is 5. 30 is write this 2 into 3. 2 3 6 5 is 30 into 5. Then according to rule, a into b into c whole power is m. So we can write a to power m into b to power m into c to power m. This one is our rule. So we can write there 2 to power 5, 2 to power 5 into 3 to power 5 into 5 to power 5. Directly write. Otherwise this one is 2 multiplied by 5 times 3 multiplied by 3 5 times, then 5 multiplied by also this one way. Or if you want to write or this one 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 5 times into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 5 times into 5 into 5 into 5 5 into 5 1 2 and 3. This one is 5 times. Directly at this one, because this one left hand side, our right hand side is also 2 to power 5 into 3 to power 5 into 5 to power. This one is, therefore right hand side is, what is our right hand side? 2 to power 5, 3 to power 5 into 5 to power 5. Both one same, so therefore left hand side, both one same, left hand side is equal to right hand side. This one is proved. Only this one is proved. Okay, understood all? Now let's see the second number solution. They return 616 to power 9 is equal to 7 into 8 into 11 to power 9. So this one is left hand side. This one is left hand side, and this one is right hand side. So we take, therefore left hand side is equal to 616 to whole power is 9. They write 616 factor of this one. Table of 2 possible because their unit place is 6. The table of 2 possible, 2 1 the 2 3 is 6. Then 0 because their remainder is 0. Then 2 8 the 16, 308. Then again table of 2 because unit place is 8. 2 1 the 2, 1 carry, 2 5 the 10, 2 4 the 8. Why I am taken 0, understood all? Because their remainder is 0, so I am taken 0. Okay. Then table of 2 again, 2 7 the 14, 1 carry, 2 7 the 14. Then table of direct table of 7, 7 1 the 7, 7 1 the 7. The direct table of 11. 8 means 616 to power 9. We can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 11 whole power is 9. So there 2 into 2 into 2. They write, we can write there 8 into 7 into 11 whole power is 9. Why I am written there 2 into 2 into 2? Because this one is same. So write this one 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4, 2 the 8. So this one is 8 to, into 7 into 11 to power 9. And we can write this one also, right? Arrange 7 into 8 into 11 whole power is 9. This one is our left hand side. And what is our right hand side? Right hand side is 7 into 8 into 11 whole power is 9. So therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. This one is proved. This one is our answer. Okay, understood all? Remember, all of you firstly do this type way, then from this one 7 into 8 into 11 way to this one 7 into 8 into 11, 7 into 8 into 11. Don't do multiply, remember all of you. Okay, now let's see their homework question. Question 1, prove the following. 35 to power 4 is equal to 5 into 7 whole power 4. 77 to power 5 into 7 into 11 to power 5. Third number, 225 to power square, this one is equal to 25 into 9 whole square. Question 2, state true or false. Write there true and false. Okay, all question are very easy. This one is true and false based on rule of exponent. Okay, good day.